Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the Life Skills Coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to give you 5 ideas on how to increase your productivity. Go grab a paper and pen and then note down these ideas. Here we go. Idea number 1. Take up ownership. Taking ownership means taking responsibility for the outcome. Taking responsibility for your productivity and stopping to blame something or someone else. Taking ownership will help you become more productive to achieve personal and business objectives. Idea number 2. Cut off all distractions. Devise a strategy to cut off distractions that are stopping you from becoming productive, whether they are the email, the phone, meetings, social media, or even your own thinking. Idea number 3. Minimize interruptions. To minimize interruptions, find out when they happen, who interrupts you, how long they happen, and how you can handle them. This will definitely boost your productivity. Idea number 4. Reduce friction with other people. Most of the friction with other people is caused by poor communication. Understanding how people are different from you and what makes them comfortable can help you make a shift in your approach, which will reduce friction. This will lead to an increase in productivity. Idea number 5. Stop procrastinating important things. Productivity is all about doing your most important things first, and if you are going to postpone your important tasks, you can't be productive. Understand the real cause behind your procrastination and then tackle it head on. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. I will be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So till my next video, take care.